Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make a payment with a credit card or a debit card. You'll click Pay online once you get to the dashboard after you log in. And then it will show you your your invoices here. I only have one to pay rent, and then we have my outstanding balance that I owe. And then I type in how much I want to pay, and right now, just for this example, I'm just going to type like $7.75. Okay, so then we'll scroll down. Basically, the unit, who I'm paying to. That's if you're paying. There's no fee if you pay with a bank account. That's the preferred payment method. And then there's a 3% transaction fee if you use a debit card or credit card. For this example, that's what we're using. So I'll click Pay online. And now, it says $8.29. So I'm just going to go back and change that amount, because that's the fee. It adds the fee into the transaction. So we'll just leave it at that, $7.78. And we'll type in the card number. I'll pause it for a second. Type it in. Okay, so I typed the card number in, and that's the month and the year. And then the CVV is the 3-digit number on the back of your card. Okay, and then we submit payment. And after that, it should say payment was successful. And there, you're done. You just paid some more rent, because it was $120 here. Now it's $113. So that's how you pay your rent online, inside the app or on the website with a credit card or debit card.